So this is the Honor 8X, and now it is time to do the quick unboxing and the full durability test of this device. And before to that, we have already checked durability of two popular Honor devices. This is Honor 9N and this is the Honor Play. So we perform most sort of tests like the drop test, scratch test, bend test, even the waterproof test, even though these phones are not officially having any kind of certification. So we are going to perform the same kind of test on the Honor 8X. Let's see if the phone survives or not. Let's get started. Quickly checking the box content, what else we are getting inside this box. Here's a phone. It is 6.5 inch, very taller phone, and you will get a small TPU case, and there is a SIM ejections tool. Onto the charger side, I think this is micro USB. Yes, this is a micro USB, and this is standard charger compared to Honor Play, which has the Type C, which is great, but here it is just Type C, 5 volt 2 ampere. So there is no fast charging, just regular charging. It's gonna take at least 2.5 hours to charge. So that's your box content that you'll be getting. Okay, so here's a quick overview. This is very shiny, you know that, but definitely nobody's going to use this phone in that way. It's going to take a lot of fingerprint, but design is completely different compared to the older designer. You can see there is a matte stripe is there, not very shiny, but still is there. And you will get a screen protector, but I will recommend to use tempered glass on your phone. It's always recommended. So quick display comparison on an 8X center. Left side we have the 9 and right side we have the Honor Play. So yeah, this is a huge phone. 6.5 inch is a very huge phone. Out of the box we'll be getting Android 8.1.0 on the phone. So starting with a scratch test, those who don't know, Honor don't use Gorilla Glass on their phone. They are using their different design. So previously on the 9N they have the 12-layer glass design. On the Honor Play screen side is both 12-layer glass design. On the back side also they are using a similar kind of a design pattern, but both displays are still working, just some small minor hairline scratches with time that eventually come. And here they are using 15-layer glass. Let's just verify it. So on the chassis side, it is made from the metal. By looking on the color and the metal particles that are chipping off, you can see, and by the sound too. So this is made from the metal, which is good. Definitely they have upped up their design compared to the Honor 9N. And here on the all side, so frame is made of the metal, which has their own advantage and the drawbacks too. We'll talk about that later. It is good for the durability side. Similar to like on the Honor Play, you have the metal construction here. But let me tell you, Honor Play is on the costly side, is a 20k phone, and this is just 15k phone, so huge differences there. Anyways, so I'm just showing you regular knife test. This is very sharp knife, not showing the glass box test because I injured myself on the last video, so it's very risky. But still, I'm just trying to rub as hard as possible, and my pressures are too much. I'm not seeing glass scratches at all, so this 15-layer glass is definitely very good. And this is the surgical knife, which is very sharp. Let me tell you, you can easily cut through the complete body, but still I'm not seeing anything at all. The brandings are inside that glass, and the LEDs also inside the glass, which is great. It just helps in durability, and I'm not able to make any scratches in the camera lens too. So it should be again the same 15-layer glass like they're using on the front and the back side. So no scratches so far. Anyways, let's try to scratch the fingerprint sensor, see it is working or not. So far I haven't seen any phone stop working on the fingerprint side. They all are working. Yeah, it's perfectly working fine. Let's try to make some more dent on it on the opposite direction. This is the worst you can make on the fingerprint sensor. So it easily recognizes my finger. That should be fine. So buttons are on the other side, made from the plastic. Maybe this is due to the cost cutting. Every dollar matters. That's fine. No, that's not a big deal. On the screen side, they're using the same glass like the 15 layer up from the 12 layer using on the previous generation's phone. So I'm just doing my best to press as hard as possible, but the point is that the glass is really good. Not comparing with the Gorilla Glass. If you just remember Realme 2 Pro, which has a Gorilla Glass 3 on it, which just got minor scratches with the same knife, but here it is okay. So definitely they are comparable to Gorilla Glass 5, maybe more than that. Now here's a quick fun test. Now you guys know I love cooking, so those who are interested, you can check out my cooking channel too. So this is a slicer knife. I just want to show you test with that too. You can use this knife. Basically, chefs are using to cut the chicken pieces, so which are very hard. So just trying to make some strong impact on the glass. This is a very big knife, so I'm hoping there should be some scratches now. Let's see on the back side too. There's no scratches at all. So let me know what kind of vegetables you want to see on the next time. Maybe I'll try to use some bigger, maybe cauliflower. Anyways, so cleaning it, there is no scratch at all, just one small hairline scratch on the right side. I don't know from where it came, it just came there. On the front side, it's completely scratch free. I'm not able to see any scratches, it's perfectly fine. And the cameras and the flash are inside, sensors are inside the glass, and the speaker grills are made from the metal, similarly like we have seen on the older Honor 9N and the Honor Play phones too. So the design is completely similar, but Honor Play has some wider thing.
So now it is time to do the splash test of this phone, because since this phone doesn't have any sort of water certification, so we are just going to dip in the water for say 30 to 45 seconds. This is just a regular splash test in case you accidentally slipped your phone into the water bucket or somewhere else. So if you have enough time, you can just take it out. So by the meantime, the Honor 9N and the Honor Play is still perfectly working after a 1 minute of splash test. Let's try the same on the Honor 8X2. 3, 2, 1. So let's verify everything is working or not after the water test. First, the fingerprint scanner is working fine. Face unlock, working fine. Speakers, working fine.
Now it is time to do the bend test. Now previously on the Honor Play, when we did the bend test, we can see the screen just popped out because maybe we bent it too hard, we applied too much force. Compared to the Honor 9, which is a plastic frame, it is just fine. So let's see, there is again metal, if we are getting any flex or not. So I'm just trying to apply the maximum that most people generally apply, not using some kind of hardware machine. So there is a flex, you can see, but the phone is perfectly fine. It just comes back to the normal position. There's no permanent flex on it, which is good. The glass and design is still holding. On the opposite direction, yeah, still flexing, but there is a no bend at all. Is completely okay. So they really upped their design and changes. On the budget side is very good. Metal do get permanent deformation. You may have heard about the bend gate of a lot of the phones, even the iPhones too, but they are just fine. Every company seems to be stepping their game. There is no flex at all.
So now it is time to do the drop test of the Honor 8X, and on the same floor we have already tried the Honor 9 and the Honor Play. So this phone, actually the back got cracked, so we are hoping some kind of similar results here. And regarding the same floor, I'm not changing it because on the same floor we have already broken many phones like the Poco Phone F1, Moto E5 Plus. This one here is in front of you, so it will be fair and wise to use the same floor. So let's get start with the drop test. Bottom side from the waist height. 3, 2, 1. Working, no problem. Top side, waist height. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Working. Rear side, waist height. 3, 2, 1. So far it's okay. Screen side, waist height. 3, 2, 1. Working. So now head height. 3, 2, 1. Fine. Top side. 3, 2, 1. Working. Back side. 3, 2, 1. No problem. Screen side. 3, 2, 1. So far looks good. Okay. Without case. 3, 2, 1. Fine. Top side. 3, 2, 1. Looks good. Okay. Now the back side. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Screen side. 3, 2, 1. No problem. Working fine. Alright. So, head height. 3, 2, 1. Working. Top side. 3, 2, 1. Working. Okay. Back side. 3, 2, 1. Working fine. Both side. Alright. So final test. Screen side. 3, 2, 1. So phone is perfectly working, no such problem at all. Okay guys, so this is the final end of the video. So Honor 8X definitely survived here in the draft test, but as you can see, Honor 9N failed in the same test. So maybe Honor has improved their glass protection on both the side. So this survived it, that doesn't mean you should take this phone as a complete draft proof. It depends on surface to surface too. Do try to use some kind of good protection on your phone, and maybe like the case has good tempered glasses. So anyway guys, that's the it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this draft test and durability test for the Honor 8X. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.